I'm Elena Kadekina. I'm the Marketing Director of Pixability. And we're here today with Grant Crowell of Real SEO. And we want to discuss a concept of social video. Well, I believe that video is inherently a social medium. It's the best medium to communicate your emotions, your tone of voice, your authenticity. And those are all aspects of social interactions. We used to think of video as expensive video production in terms of TV commercials, but not any longer. The internet and affordable video cameras freed video from those old restrictions and let it develop its potential as a social medium. And those are great news for the companies that want to share their unique voice and establish their identity. And those are the even better news for the ones that want to be engaged in a serious dialogue with their customers. For example, one of our clients, Intuit, is extensively using video to have testimonials from their clients to share their experiences. And at Pixability we say, as a business owner, you can't clone yourself and you can talk to every single prospect or client. But with social video, you can at least come close.